How to delete all messages on Instagram at once. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then you come to your profile page, and then you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then click on the settings. And one thing I want to say with you that you can't do this in your personal account, so you have to go to the switch to the professional account. So and it works on both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. So firstly, switch to professional account, click on the switch to professional account, and then continue all this, and then you have to choose any of the categories that you want. After that, you can choose the category creator or business, and then click on the next in the bottom. After that, cut this, and then you have to go to your home page, and then scroll to the right, and here you can see uh, all your posts. So to delete your multiple posts, what you have to do is you have to simply click this page, and here you have to click on, you can see these two boxes in the top right corner. So you can see the first boxes with pen like a structure, pen like icon, and the second box is with the horizontal lines. So you have to click on these horizontal lines, and then when you click on this, then you come to this page, and here you can choose the all the posts that you want to delete by clicking on this circle, and then you can choose all the posts, all the messages, and then you can see the delete option in the bottom right corner. You have to click on the delete, and then again click on the delete to delete all the messages. So that's basically it, that how you can do this. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.